This is Dr. Alibhai here. We're going to show you an exercise using a foam roller. This one in particular has a hard outer core and a soft inner core depending on the level that you're at. It's going to mobilize the middle of your back, getting more mobility, get you out of that hunch position, decrease pain, and really improve your posture. I hope this exercise helps you.
Place the foam roller right underneath your shoulder blades, lying on your back, feet flat on the ground, hands supporting the neck in a relaxed position. Lift the hips off the ground, rolling back and forth. Find the uncomfortable, tender, sticky, and restricted joints of the middle of the back. You can even rotate side to side. Find the position that kind of releases some of those spots in there. Remember, the middle of the back is responsible for rotation. You can actually place a softer inner core of the foam roller underneath your back. If you're starting off, you might find this a little more comfortable in the beginning. Remember, some points will be uncomfortable, but as long as you can breathe through it, they're safe to roll over. Find the spot. Don't roll back and forth as fast as you can. This is a very conscious, relaxing thing to do.
I hope this foam rolling exercise helps you. Remember to do this every day, even if it's just a few minutes. Over a week, you build up a great dosage on the body, and that'll get you some great results.